first PR that you see there is just small refactor of the library. There were like, if you were using SDK, there was like a lot of indirection to access some modules and it wasn't really clear. So we smoothed it out a little bit so the experience of developing with Align is simpler. We'll probably do another small one to also help with this, but it shouldn't change much the SDK. The big one that is merged is the one below. That is that we added the last methods that were missing to start verifying all the aggregated proofs on chain. So with this, the aggregation mode from the point of view of a user is complete in the sense that you can do an end-to-end product where you send a proof to Align and then you use the aggregated proof on chain to, for example, to change the state in Ethereum. So now we are doing an example of an application. The spirit is to show a little bit how an L2 will work. It's not a real L2. So it's more a simple example of an application. In this case, it runs an execution of transfers between people, and the program is only checking that the money doesn't appear from nowhere and doesn't get lost. Like so, it's like the energy conservation, but with money. Of course, in a real scenario, you have to check signatures. That is a lot of more work to do, but the purpose is to show the integration with Align, and not to show how to deploy a real L2. So yeah, you verify this proof, you send it to the aggregation mode, and then you change a state of a contract on chain. And this is very similar to what L2 does. It starts executing things, changes its state, and at some point it settles on Ethereum and changes the state on Ethereum. Almost done. Like it's not much only because I didn't like the documentation a lot, and I want the documentation to be a bit clearer on what it does. It should be a little bit less clunky in some things, but